What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you from the 2015 Lincoln MKZ Hybrid. We are about to get on the interstate going to Chattanooga. She's got a little roar, but you know what? It's actually very smooth and no vibration. You can't feel like it's well isolated, except it is a little noisy. I think Lincoln probably could have done a little better job on that part, but hey, it is what it is. It's a CVT. It's a 2-liter 4-cylinder, you know, but it's quick. I mean, this is the first time I've had it on the interstate, and it seems like it likes to roll. it seems like it wants to go down the road, so that's good. I'm barely touching the pedal. So once you get up to speed, maintaining speed and cruising speed seems to be a breeze. I got my boy Kirby with me. What's up, dude? I got to take him home to his mama. He's been with me for about a week and a half, and I am over it. You're a good boy, aren't you? Good boy? He's a good boy. Yeah, this car is so nice. I mean, it's got so many features and gadgets, and just, I wanted to get a little video of nighttime driving on it because it is nuts. This thing is like Tokyo by night. The gauges and all the ambient lighting, and the ambient lighting that comes out from under the door trim and the cup holders, and it comes down from up here somewhere, shining down onto the display and the controls. You can change it from, you know, soft blue, soft green, red, yellow, purple. I mean, you got a bunch of colors to choose from. It's really cool, and it's all accessible, you know, in the display setting here. Can't really do much of that while we're flying down the freeway, but I really meant to get a nighttime video of this one, but number one, I forgot about it and then just ran out of time. So I thought at least I could grab just some good old freeway driving. I'm looking for a tack. I want a tachometer, and I'm sure there's one on here. I just don't know where it's at. Where would it be at? You know? Let's see. Oh God, not forward my key. Lord, hell. Driver assist. I wonder what kind of driver assist. Okay, drive control, blind spot, cross traffic, eco cruise, EV plus mode, rear parking aid. Huh. What is eco cruise? Off. Huh. I wonder what the hell that means. I bet it like, I wonder if Eco Cruise will like cut like the throttle response some, or I know sometimes it will cut back on the AC compressor, like, you know, it won't pull as hard, maybe not produce as much cold air as need be. I may be totally wrong. I'm not real sure. Let's see what EV mode options. Okay, that's on. So you can actually turn EV on and off. Really? That's interesting. I'm going to drive with this Eco Cruise on for a while and see what I get. I was just hoping I could find a tack somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Instead of this kilowatt, I don't know. It's all very confusing. No, it's actually pretty user-friendly once you get used to these buttons and controls. This has the best sounding stereo I've heard in a car. I had to remake this video again because I played the radio for like 3 seconds, 3 or 4 seconds with it rocking out, and YouTube copyrighted me. I'm like, really? Seriously? I can't play like 4 seconds of a song? So I don't want to take that chance again. And of course, you know, here you just touch here to turn the volume down, touch here to turn it up. Same with your fan speed, and your temp. You just touch here. Cool off. I mean, it's all just got lots of touch. Heated seats, AC seats, heated steering wheel. There's our buddies that owned the car before us. That's kind of a creepy picture, but it turns out I picked up the title today. It's right there. This was a one-owner car. Carfax shows it as a two-owner, but it's actually a one-owner. The title says the lady bought it new in 15 with 37 miles on it. So maybe it was a lease and then she bought it at the end of the lease. I know that happens often with folks, and when you do that, it registers a second owner on a Carfax. Always does, always has, even if it stays with the same individual. You know what I'm saying? So let's just cruise a little bit. Sunroof. It's kind of a crisp day. It's 52 degrees. Let's see, I want my temp. It's a little warm in here. Let's get it down about 68. But yeah, she cruises. Wow. She's a cruiser. Has great, like, you know, stability. The steering is just a breeze. Effort, you know, it's got a good sense of straight ahead. You know, it tracks well, tracks easy. I noticed that's made my eco light go off, so I'm assuming I'm not traveling at eco speeds. But unbelievable. Average miles per gallon on this thing are 39.8. That's the lifetime average on the car. That's pretty freaking impressive, I think.
Police reported ahead.
Uh-oh, better slow it down. Anyway, there's just your little highway cruise in the fancy Lincoln. Got so many damn features, I can't even show them all to you. I mean, I love power folding mirrors. That's cool. A 40-way adjustable driver's seat with lumbars and everything else. This thing has airbags out the wazoo. I saw something about that it might have the rear airbag seat belts, but looking at them from here, I'm not going to turn the camera around. I'm just kind of glancing over my shoulder. It doesn't look like this one has them. But it has the knee airbags for the front passengers, plus, you know, your regular 2 airbags, curtain side. Let's see, are there rear side airbags? Yeah, I believe there are. See a little symbol back there. So, God, it looks like it's got 6, 8, 10 airbags or so. So it's pretty safe. Should be a pretty safe car. You know, in any kind of traditional accident. I saw I was just surfing YouTube last night and ran across the video of, her name was Jessica Gomez in Nevada. She was driving a Volvo, let's see, S60, I think, sedan, mid-2000s, you know, version. And she was hit head on by some type of oil well drilling truck rig thing. It blew a steer tire and hit her across the center line and hit her head on, shredding her Volvo literally in half down the driver's side. Engine, transmission out in the road. Anyway, you can YouTube the footage of the police and, you know, working the scene, and you can actually, I can't believe it's on YouTube, and I don't know how long it'll be there, but apparently this girl's mother is on a rampage about the injustice done in the investigation. Apparently the driver of the truck that crossed the center line admitted on body cam he had smoked or he was using THC the night before. You know, they did his blood work. They kind of swept some details under the rug. So anyway, her mom actually posted them removing her body from the Volvo. Now it's slightly blurred, so you can't see like her, you know, really her face or anything, but just seeing her body being completely mangled in this car. I mean, just imagine a truck coming through your, I mean, there was no steering wheel, engine, transmission gone, nothing resembling a dash. Driver's seat ripped off and hanging out the side of the car, and her body's just kind of hanging by a seat belt out the side of the car. Brutal, brutal, brutal. Jessica Gomez. You need to, you know, if you're into stuff like that, look it up on YouTube. It's pretty interesting to see how the fire department and the police worked those scenes, and how tragic it was, you know. Anyway, what the hell got me off on that tangent? I think I was talking about safety. Yeah, I mean, you know, Volvos are the safest car in the world unless you hit a damn, you know, 18-wheeler head on at 65 miles an hour, then shit, nothing matters. But I would say it's probably pretty much lights out, and you wouldn't know a thing happened. Lights out. So anyway, let's all just drive safe, and maybe I'll not drive 100 miles an hour all the time. Oh, the police, he has no one pulled over. We all drive safe, and enjoy your day. Thanks for watching and listening to me ramble from the 2015 Lincoln MKZ. She's a cruiser, baby. 183,000 miles. Sub $4,000 car, y'all, at auction. I would really like to keep this car a while. I would, as a daily. But, you know, these miles, I think I'm going to just send her down the road. Send her down the road and sell her on to somebody else at a good deal. I'll sell it at a good deal. I'll make a little profit, but she'll go for a good price. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.